Hi guys, this is just another part of the business here, vehicle fit outs and graphics. Well, this is just one of the opportunities that you can do with a vehicle. It's a solution, space saving for small vans, from shelving for your tools, carrying products, and also this is a very clever idea we have here, underfloor storage solution. They can also be kitted out for your tools or your product. Safe, not going to get damaged, and you know it ourselves, damages cost money. Another solution here for the side of the van, very clever from Sortable. More storage again, same thing, it can be components, parts or tools. Also we have here what we call the L-box stack. This L-box stack can be taken out of the vehicle, put on the wheels and brought on the site. Just an easy solution. Same thing again, anything you want. Look guys, for any more information, you can either contact us by the website or on phone, or send me a message and we'll get in touch. I'm sure we'll have a solution for any of your problems.
Preview.